Well, as you can see, my surroundings look a little bit different. We are at the Soaring Eagle Ranch homestead for Thanksgiving. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so Dad and I are breaking out the turkey fryer to make sure everything is kosher to get ready to fry our bird tomorrow. So Dad and I are out here on the front porch and we're gonna show you what we're doing.
Hello. We're going to start off with this Rural King burner we bought several years ago and absolutely hated it. There's an automatic gizmo here and that we took off, and I think a maximum is like 3.5 pounds of pressure, and we were having a real hard time getting our oil up to 350, 375. We always burn big turkeys or cook big turkeys with a lot of oil, and it just took forever. And then once you did get it up there, we were having problems with the pot burning. This one happened to have a hole in it, and not sure where the hole is.
I see him.
Okay, Joey sees him. He's got better eyesight than I. And this pot's only like 2 years old. Maybe I had 10 cookings or so. We normally cook about 5 turkeys a year. So I went ahead and bought through Amazon this 20 PSI. So we went from about 3.5 to 20. It comes with the regulator, the whip, and this head. And it was pretty reasonable. If you check down below, there should be a link to it. So anyway, the first turkey that we did with my new system was still getting the bottom of the pot hot. And I was afraid the same thing would happen. So what I did, cut this so it fits right in there. And then we had no more problems with the pot. The pot burns nicely, it fits nice, and has solved basically all our problems. I can get the oil as hot as I want, no problem. It heats up quickly, and we'll do a video of it tomorrow when we're cooking the turkey, so you can watch that. We really got tired of the aluminum pots. I don't like the way they clean up, and it leaves, I don't know, like a black residue inside the pot. So we went ahead and ordered and got a stainless steel one. So tomorrow we will be using the stainless steel one. So when you fire this off, we notice no difference in the heat. I mean, like I said, it still gets really hot. The heat goes right through this aluminum plate, and actually when you have a little bit of wind, it stays hot instead of changing. So we're very happy with it. It's very stable, and I think it's the way to go to fix your turkey burners, is with the aluminum plate and with that 20 PSI burner. So as you see, you got the flame in? Mm-hmm. Okay. That's probably around the 3.5 or so. And then you can just get it as hot as you wish. And as you can see, this is the side that we've used the most, and there's no indentations, no bubbles, not anything, just some of the blackness. So it's been holding up really good. And it's already getting hot. So the other thing it does when you got the higher PSI is if it's windy out, you know, you can turn it up and it'll help compensate.
Oh yeah, we've had that fight before too.
Yep. So anyway, we're very happy with it, and these two items have really solved all our problems and will help save the pans, or the pots rather, from being destroyed.
Yep.
You know, the pots are just so thin that it doesn't take much to go through them. So, did I miss anything, Boo?
I think we covered it.
Okay, thanks for watching.
And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications bell to stay tuned on our future content, and have a happy Thanksgiving. May you have peace, joy, and all that good stuff. And just have a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.